Some ports aren't just ports. They move the world. This shipping corridor handles over $1 trillion in cargo every year, and it's only getting busier. That's why we've set up right here, in the heart of it all. Our new ship repair workshop is now operational, serving vessels across China's busiest trade gateways. From hatch cover repairs, pipeline fabrication, turbocharger overhauls and balancing, to pump repairs, mechanical servicing, and advanced electrical and automation diagnostics. We're fully equipped. At anchorage or at berth, response time matters, and now we're closer than ever. Our goal remains the same: minimize downtime, maximize reliability. We're not just expanding, we're showing up where it matters most. Now operational across China's major ports. Precision ship repairs delivered fast. Contact us 24/7.